my Crocs. Notice the little Patriots symbol right there. Because the Patriots just won. Did you see the game? 3D, woo! Okay, I'm so excited because my family did not think that the Patriots were going to win. I always think the Patriots are going to win.
That was Erica, Jacob, and Dean.
You know, I always just think they're going to win, even if they're down by 7 touchdowns. I still always think up until the bell rings at the end that they're going to win. So I'm just so excited. Anyways, we are starting chapter 2, and we are doing parallel lines and planes. You guys know what parallel lines are? Parallel lines are two little, it's like the number 11. That's my favorite number. They do not intersect and are coplanar. So parallel lines have to be on the same plane, and they never intersect. So let me just grab myself a piece of chalk. Where would the chalk be? what happened to the
down
chalk?
there. Sorry.
Oh, I see it. Okay. So, I'm just going to step up here. These lines intersect. These lines are perpendicular, but they still intersect. These lines will never intersect. They never meet. They're like if you're driving down a street and you have 2 sidewalks on either side of the street, the 2 sidewalks are never going to meet unless you have some type of strange road. Those are parallel lines, and that's how you do it, the 2 little parallel lines. Skew lines don't intersect and are not coplanar. So let's say I have a plane right here, and we'll say this is a line on the plane, and then I just have some random line. I'm just going to use another piece of chalk, okay? Some random line that's just coming up like this, and it's on some other plane. That's a skew line. I know that's hard to understand, but there is a picture. Ooh, chalk broke. Drawn by Jackie right here. This line, you know this dash line means it's kind of cutting through. So it's like going up and down. So it's a skew line. Whereas this line is on the plane, if you can see that. So J and K are skew lines. Over here, line L and line M are parallel lines, and they're on the same plane. If you notice, segment AB is parallel to segment CD, and ray AB, going that way, is parallel to ray CD, going that way. Okay, what's a parallel plane? Well, if you see, I have 2 geometry books. So if I have one plane here and one plane here, they're never going to touch. So those would be parallel planes. They don't intersect. This plane, we'll call it plane X, is parallel to this plane, plane Y. And if you look up here, you'll see that X is parallel to Y. A line and a plane are parallel if they don't intersect. Okay, so if a line and a plane don't intersect, for example, EF, if you look up there, EF is parallel to Y. See this plane right here? The plane is on the bottom, and EF is on the top. So if I was doing it with this book right here, this would be plane Y, and this would be plane EF, and they do not intersect. Okay, I can't talk to them right now, okay? So just say I can't talk to them right now. No. Okay, a line and a plane are parallel if they don't intersect, and I just gave you that example. Okay, so then we're going to get into theorem 2.1. If 2 parallel planes are cut by a third plane, then the lines of intersection are parallel. So if you have 2 parallel planes, so I'll use these 2 books again. If you have 2 parallel planes like this, and then it's cut by a third plane, like this, so you have this plane is cutting into this plane. I wish I had a better example, but I kind of don't. So like if you have 2 parallel planes cut by a third plane, then the lines of intersection are parallel. So if you see the top of the notebook and the bottom of the notebook, the top notebook that cuts into the top plane is parallel with the bottom of the notebook, the line down there that cuts into the bottom plane. All right, and you can look in your book for the examples as well as There's a picture here. These two planes are parallel, and this line is parallel to this line. Okay, so what's a transversal? A transversal is a line that intersects two or more coplanar lines in different points. In the next diagram, T is a transversal of H and K. The angles formed have special names, and we're going to talk about alternate interior, same side interior, and where's the other one? Corresponding angles. Okay, so let's talk about, we have two lines, and then some random line just drawn. So this line right here is going to be called your transversal. A transversal, I just want to make sure I give you the exact definition. A transversal is a line that intersects two or more coplanar lines in different points. Notice these two lines don't have to be parallel, but there are going to be special angles. We're going to have alternate interior angles. So let's look at the interior angles in this picture. Okay? These are your two lines, and this is your transversal. Anything on this side is going to be interior. 3 and 6 are going to be alternate interior, and 4 and 5 are going to be alternate interior. Then you're going to have same side interior. Obviously, 3 and 5 are on the same side as the transversal, and 4 and 6 are on the same side as the transversal. And they're same side interior. 4 and 6, same side interior. 3 and 5, same side interior. Corresponding angles are like examples. Angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. 2 and 6 are corresponding, these two. 4 and 8 are corresponding, and 3 and 7 are corresponding. So you've got alternate interior. They're on the interior and they're on alternate sides of the transversal. You've got corresponding. They are formed by the first angle here and then this angle, both by the transversal. And then you've got, which should I leave out? Alternate interior, same side interior. Same side on the inside, same side on the inside. Okay, so we are going to go over, so go do classroom exercises on page, let me look.
It's 55.
Is it 55? I would like you to do the classroom exercises on page 56, 1 through 23. There is a picture of a barn, and that barn, you might want to look at the picture of the barn. This is the picture right here, but when I was doing it, I kind of looked at that picture too to help you. There are a couple tricky questions in there, so if you want to put this on pause right now, go do the classroom exercises, and then I will be here again to go over the classroom exercises. Keyword today is Patriots. Okay, so shut it off. Okay, we're back on now. All right, so I'm going to page 56. Okay, on page 56. What?
Sit down a chair for you.
Oh, okay. She got a chair for me. Why, thank you. Okay. Number 1, the blue line is a transversal. Name 4 pairs of corresponding angles. So angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding right here. 2 and 6 are corresponding right there. 4 and 8 are corresponding, and 3 and 7 are corresponding. The blue line is the transversal. 2 pairs of alternate interior angles. So if you look here, 2 and 8 are alternate interior, and 5 and 3 are alternate interior. And then same side interior would be 3 and 8 and 2 and 5. Okay, classify each pair of angles as alternate interior angles, same side interior, or corresponding angles, or none of these. So number 2 is corresponding. Number 3 is same side interior. Number 4 is corresponding. Number 5 is alternate interior. Number 6 is none of these. Number 7 is same side interior. Number 8 is alternate interior, and number 9 is none of these. Number 10 is angle 1 and angle 8, and then angle 5 and angle 4. Number 11 is angle 5 and angle 8, and then angle 1 and angle 4. Number 12 is because they are supplements of congruent angles. Number 13, they must be congruent. Number 14A is parallel, B, parallel, C, skew, D, intersecting, E, skew, and F is skew. Number 15 is 6 lines parallel to GL. And again, you know, you really had to look at this, and actually this one wasn't that hard, but a couple of these I thought were a little difficult. Number 15 is line FK, EJ, AB, HM, IN, and DC. And then number 16 is line HI, ID, FE, EA, JK, JB, MN, NC, BC, and AD. Number 17 is IN, HM, GL, FK, and EJ. Number 18 is, okay, ready? It's plain BCN, MLKJ. Number 19 is yes, ABJE, and DCNI. Number 20 is never. Number 21 is always. Number 22 is sometimes. And number 23 is never. Now, after you do the classroom, we'll be doing the written exercises on page 58 as well. Again, there are some a little difficult questions. I really had to think on some of them. But I hope you have a great night. And if anybody remembers my song from the last video, I will give you, if you can recite the song or sing the song, I will give you 3 bonus points on your next test. All right? You guys have a great night. Go Pats. Woo!